This is a Rosary, October 19, 2019, Miami. And this is a Rosary by America Needs Fatima against praying the Rosary for America. Please join us as human efforts fail to solve America's key problems. We turn to God through His Holy Mother, asking His urgent help. Amen. We're praying a Rosary to Our Lady in protest of this restaurant called El Santo that has blasphemy shown all kinds of things having to do with the Holy Catholic Church in a most blasphemous, sacrilegious way, and we're protesting this. This is on Saturday, and here's Our Lady of Fatima, and we're all praying here this protest in honor of the Blessed Mother and celebrating her triumph over Satan. And that's what we're doing. We're celebrating the triumph of Mary over Satan. And we continue praying the Rosary here in protest for the sacrileges and the blasphemies in this terrible restaurant over here called El Santo Taqueria. And they have confessionals in there that turn into be toilets. And they have Jesus Christ shown wearing a pair of sunglasses with a cigar in his mouth. It's outrageous, an outrageous parody and mockery. It's a blasphemy. And so here we are, we're making a Rosary of Reparation. A Rosary of Reparation. The children rose up and called her blessed. May God punish El Santo Taqueria for this terrible sacrilege and blasphemy. Amen. Madre de Dios, ruega por nosotros pecadores, ahora y en la hora de esa muerte. Amén. Principio, siglos de los siglos. Amén. Amén.
La vida y en la muerte ampara.
Ave, Ave María, Ave, Ave, Ave María. Reparación, reparación.